Xuzhou Bob Lift Construction Machinery Company Limited is located in Xuzhou, Jiangsu Province, which is known as the City of Machinery. Xuzhou has its own technical advantages and enjoys convenient transportation. Over the years since Bob Lift has been established here, it has been adhering to the enterprise spirit of sincerity, stability, innovation, and cooperation. We have joined hands with world-class enterprises from Italy and Sweden that are specialized in the manufacturing of truck-mounted crane to carry out in-depth technical exchanges and cooperation. Our products are one of the first in the industry to be recognized by EU CE certification. Bob Lift has been constantly proving to the international community with practical actions that the products made in China can also be good. Our main products include truck-mounted crane, marine crane, forklift crane, pickup crane, auger drill crane, grab crane, and other related products capable of shape deformation. Bob Lift sincerely inherits craftsmanship and always pursues excellence. With professional insight, we will adapt with the changes and cater to your needs. And with the help of sophisticated manufacturing equipment and exquisite production technology, we will serve your products with excellent performance, sound durability, high production efficiency, and low maintenance cost. To be outstanding, Bob Lift will continue to move forward, striving to be a dedicated enterprise, to make the goods quality reflected in details, and to build trust in the minds of customers.